Welcome back to my channel, Aztec Nahuatl language, past, for us, and history. In the Tepeyac, this image was there many years before they took it down. They tried to destroy it, but they couldn't. So they just moved it, and in that place the Virgin Mary, or the Virgin of Guadalupe, appeared, so-called appeared. But this is our mother, Tonantzin Tlali Cuatlicue, which means our beloved mother with the skirts of serpents. There's many science behind it as well. We didn't worship it, we just give thanks to it. That being said, see you guys next time. Peace.